In this video, we're going to be talking about how to change your Gmail display name. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Gmail on any browser that you prefer using right over here, as you can see. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the settings. So let me just go ahead and let it load up for a bit. Once loaded, you're going to be on this page right over here. So let's just wait for this to load up as well. And now all we need to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings right over here and then head to all settings. Normally you can also do this from account.google.com. And once you've done that, you want to simply click on personal info right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and change your name right over here. Not on the nickname, however, on the name on top. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on